his ancestors.
Amarachi Attamah.
Amarachi.
Amarachi Attamah.
Amarachi Attamah, please come forward. Come forward, come forward, come forward, Amarachi Attamah, come forward.
My name is Amarachi Attamah. They call me Mwadiorama. Why do I stray into the ancient? Is there something Grandma left me to protect? I am spellbound. The flame has held me hostage. I fear I may never be freed. I am a daughter of my ancestry. If I act strange, not be dressed in stone. Mirazola sachapwiha koronubi. Anua chala chamuchaku kondri. Mirina mwewe meko. Owe buya dika miri dituka angu ala wewaru oiro. Manadike turugo. I speak to you in the language of my ancestors, for I am a seed my father planted, a flower my mother nurtured. I am a daughter of my ancestry, the hard ugary fruit that destroys the monkey's teeth. The uniqueness of my art is what stood me out. Everybody is just good. Like, those guys are just something else. But I have a unique art, just like every other person. And I think that uniqueness is what has brought me this far. And, you know, I will just keep going with it. I'm a performance poet. All this basically started 6 years ago. I had been a story writer. I write short stories. I write poetry in English. But the Igbo poetry part, the performance part, started 6 years ago.
The best spoken word artist.
We are here to present a short piece on the theme of the 4 market days. The name of our group is Icheku. So sit down and enjoy. Baby,
do you remember that song?
Listen, I bring you tales from the full moon. Memories of ancient Surugede, maps of Uli, sounds of our history, mourning from the intercourse of Ekwe and Udu. And Ogene, heralded by Oja, the fruits of Amamihe. Listen to tales from the sanctuary of incorruptible elders. Proverbs bettered under the full moon, for I speak in the language of the gods. How? Having the moment, feeling the moment, seizing the opportunity, and then showcase what we have. Because we know we are ready. And you didn't kwadobe. And
Amarachi, strong, a lot of presence.
Amarachi, you know, you have that stage presence.
I face a lot of difficulties, a lot of challenges. People call it Mpobiuku. Some of them is people seeing you as Asians and people seeing you as Mbeke, what we call Mbeke, you are not posh enough. People staying away from you, people thinking you are spiritual, diabolical, and they stay away from you. Having relationships and breaking relationships because, of course, you are just too deep. People, you hear your peers saying you are too deep for their liking, you are not youthful enough. Sometimes you don't have any money on you, you just stay without a dime. The audience should expect to see Nwanyi Igbo. An embodiment of talent, wearing her cultural heritage with pride. They should expect to see what they don't see every day. They should expect to see the energy of an African woman.
Today is the day that we all gather in the regalia of thanksgiving to Ahajioku. For Chuku has blessed the land, his sons and daughters he must feed, sending the scars of hunger to exile. Today is the day in Onwa Sato, when roasted yam commune with palm oil, garnished with upaka and osensuka, in a sacrament of Inyuagu Ipako. Let me tell you, Irinu goji mirioku ne kuputa uda. Azu okpona anonji. Ginari. Jibu azari ndibo jibu nyanyi diaba. Hile kwana ya nilu ndibo ihu na ine tiputa jika mmanwu. Onye sidiri makule. Ọbụrụ na ọnwa egbu ije ji chụọ aja na emecha n'oge pome. Isi ji ya na hefu n'itechaja ilu ka mụ na-atụ. Anyị bụ mba gị karịrị ha n'ahụ n'ọkụ.
This is local wine. Do you know the meaning of what you have done? But what have I done?
What have you done?
Pastor?
What have you done? Anabaka Ariyeloji. Anabaka Awuwataze. Anaji Otuaka Azonwa Madi. Anaji Otuaka Ekechi Ngugu. Lost is he who does not know the footsteps of his ancestors. This gift of divinity was seen and kept by our predecessors. But we forget that one who carelessly throws away the broom at night will search for it when morning comes. For everything has its own form. Drinking this wine from nature's vine seals our communion. Me as yours and you as mine. The sacredness of this occasion is the uniqueness of this tradition. This is like cleaning the anus before defecating. Hey!
Amarachi, Amarachi knows we love her and we respect her craft and her talent.
enters multiple definitions. A breathing, walking, skin-clothed dictionary, giving meaning to lives by imprinting smiles with the pages of the people's hearts, tearing tear-stained chapters of injustice, and injustice turning tragedies into happy endings.
We are the true heroes. We who cradle the ways of our people in our bellies, whose hands are like a battlefield, fighting fiercely the enemy of penury. Well, we have united, publicly pledging allegiance to our tribe. Who can silence us? We have given up our right to remain silent, for no law court can use our hope against us.
For I am not angry, I am anger. I am not dangerous, I am danger. We are abominable stress, relentless. We are breath of vengeance. We are death sentence. We forsaken repentance to the beast and his henchmen. We are heroes, baby. A hero is a rose that grows in the dark. He still loves even with holes in his heart. When his body is broken, his soul is intact. Nothing but gold on his crack. No goals, no foes, just flow with the past. No distress yourself. A hero now Superman when no need S for chest.
Ekele dike na nkomere omekwa ọzọ. Ọbụ na-azọ mmiri na wakati na-ata ngene ka Igbo gbanahụrụ nkịta ọsọ. Ọbụ abụọ ka ibu ọgbara kụwasa osisi ka osisi ndị ọzọ elu osisi ka ọhịa. Echefula